to today's math video. Today for math, your goal, your objective is I can subtract within 20. If you want, you can pause the video now and listen to the math songs I've linked below in the description box, or you can listen to them afterwards. At the end of the video, there will be a short picture assignment. And don't forget, we have Boom cards, ST Math, or iReady Math, or Google Classroom for you to do at the end. So let's go ahead and get started. So when we're subtracting within 20, I listed a few strategies we can use. You can draw a picture, but the picture is really only easiest if you're dealing with smaller numbers. So for example, with 19 minus 3, to draw 19 circles might take some time. You might make a mistake, forget a circle, add an extra one. So you can draw a picture for any of them, but just know that it's probably easiest to draw a picture with the smaller amounts. For larger amounts, for larger number sentences like 19 minus 3, you can use a number line or a number chart. And it's really helpful when you're using amounts that are 10 or more. And when you're using the number chart, number line, you're going to move backwards. So I drew a teeny tiny number line right here. You can go ahead and draw on a separate piece of paper, look one up on Google, same with the number chart. But you're going to go backwards. You're going to try and get close to 0 because you're taking away, so the amount is getting smaller. If you go forwards, that means the amount's getting larger, and that's for when you're doing addition. And remember, subtraction sounds different. You can say take away, how many are left, how many remain, and that means you're doing subtraction. So let's go ahead and get started. I have two number sentences that we'll work on together. And let me scooch out of the way. So we have 19 minus 3. So 19 is a pretty big, large amount number. So we're going to use the number line on this. Again, you could draw a picture. Just know it's going to take some time and you need to make sure you're only drawing the amount that it says. So this first number, if I can get my board together, this first number is telling us how many we're starting with. So we're starting at 19. So I know my number line's teeny tiny, but I am going to circle 19. And then the second numeral, the second number after the subtraction sign, the minus sign, tells us how many we're going to take away, how many we're going backwards. So we're going to take away, we're going to go backwards 3. So I'm going to move 3 hops backwards. Go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, 3. And I know it's super teeny tiny and you probably can't see, but I did land on 16. So 19 minus 3 equals 16. Again, you could have drew a picture, you could use beans, crackers, fruit snacks, but 19 is pretty large and I have never seen a fruit snack pack with 19 and I don't want you wasting a bunch of snacks. So save those for the smaller amounts. Now our next one that we're going to practice with, 8 minus 5, this is something you can draw a picture with. You can use little dried beans or fruit snacks, things like that, because it's not too big of an amount. And you can still use a number line or number chart with this one as well. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to solve this one. 8 minus 5. So what number are we starting with? 8. That's the amount we're starting with. Before we take any away, we're starting with 8. So I'm going to draw 8 circles and I need you to count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, it wouldn't be one of my videos without my board making a mess of itself. And then I'm also going to go to our number line and circle 8. So we're going to go over 2 ways to solve it. Now, how many are we taking away? 5. Perfect. So we're going to take away 5 circles and we're going to make 5 jumps backwards. Remember, if you go forwards, that's adding. It means your amount's getting larger. But we're taking away, it's going to get smaller, so we're going backwards. So let's go ahead and subtract 5 circles now. I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to double check that I took 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I took only 5 away. And I'm hoping you could see, but how many circles are left? How many remain? Perfect, there's 3 left. And now let's go ahead and go to our number chart. We're going to make 5 hops backwards, so I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we landed on 3. If you're using both a picture and a number chart, this board, it's a great way to double check your answer. So for example, if I drew the picture and got 3, but on my number chart, I landed on 1, that means one of those is wrong and I need to double check my work. At the end of this video, I will include a picture assignment. Don't forget about all the other fun activities you can do. I miss you and hope you have a great day.